Jobman software is preloaded with templates that can be edited and customized for your business and industry. If you haven't already done so, add your logo to Jobman in the General Settings tab. This will now appear on all your Jobman templates. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Templates. Your site will be preloaded with templates from simple emails to more complicated itemized quotes. Templates are categorized by type, with each type having its own set of variables. Select a template and click Update to add and remove variables or make changes to the text. Template variables automate the information contained in your templates, and if the variable is not listed, it may not be available for the type. Jobman's template language is Liquid. While editable, if you're not familiar with Liquid or HTML, we recommend sites like Fiverr or Upwork for more complicated or custom template designs. Remember, help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question and search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.